the lift?
Or do you use the stairs?
The lift is fine.
Okay.
I generally use the stairs, but I'll just choose to use the lift for today.
Okay.
Come on, hop up.
I got to drop off.
Wait.
You're going to the movie theater, right?
Yes. Good job. Shake it off. Yeah, going down, he's been on these lifts before, so he's
A little nervous.
a little nervous sometimes going down mostly because we're not facing the inside of the vehicle.
Okay. How do you want me to help you?
So I'll just hold like the right side of the heel. Come on. Okay. Like this, and then yeah, you could just
You're good. You're good now.
go up. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I did not.
Yeah. Because I got him in the center.
Hang on. It's okay, doggy.
You got it.
He's a nice doggy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Forward.
Good boy.
And if you want me to put down, I can put down.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
I can put down this seat. I can put down this seat.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine.
Which is you're sure to both, but this would
Yeah.
be good. With,
Yeah. Definitely. Let's go. Oh, let's back it up a little bit. There we go.
summer, they're like me. They like the summer, but not
Yeah.
the winter.
Oh, good. The hydraulic pump's working.
I think he just doesn't like the hose in here.
Yeah, because I know this bar, like that's to like help the lift go down if the hydraulic is not working.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hang on. Sorry it took you so long.
That's fine.
Okay.
Stay here. All right.
Okay, you know where you are.
Yes. Yep.
Like the front doors are.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay. Take care. Have a good
You
night.
too. Thank you. Left.
The end more like of the finish and getting over with that.
Left. To the door.
SMG.
Yes. Yes.